Here's a quick video about guarding your pineapples from wildlife in your area. So we're in Florida. These all grow on their own. All these just started as just one. So now I have too many, but whatever. So there's 4 pineapples all growing at the same time, that are fruiting, I should say. So I took a tomato cage, turned it upside down. This one I put just some stainless steel mesh, like screen that you would get in the home improvement aisle, back where the windows and screening is. I liked it because it was stainless, in case of any rusting. You know, just put it in the ground and simply just zip tied it up and down. Right? No one has lifted it, but to get it on there, this is my second year doing this. I ended up just cutting all the leaves from the mother plant so that the whole thing fits on top of it. That was way easier. Before, I had this. This is like a, regular old plastic fencing. I pulled each one of those leaves through there, right? It's quite a puzzle because as it's going down, you have to make sure you get it right. And the spots are not as big as the leaf, so you have to kind of almost skewer the leaf through there. And you want to wear gloves because they're pineapple leaves and they're sharp. And so I was like, I'm not doing that this year. I'm going to try an experiment. And I can't believe this has worked, because when this started, this thing was just a little fruit. So cutting off the leaves, and then it actually does form another pup, if you can see to the side of it. So it worked really well. All 4 of them are fruiting. So this was the stainless. This one is the mesh. This one is also stainless, okay? But I just folded the leaves up, and I'm really surprised at how well this worked, in fact. This one, I would say, is even larger. It's tough to see because it's buried in all these leaves, But it's even has a more gold color too, like it's more ripe. So this was an experiment too, and some of them have started, like you see this pup was not there. This thing shot out and started growing. The other one, same story as I'd say the previous ones. Trim, put it on top. So I have 2 of the same sample size, and then the other 2 are different samples. Again, these ones are even, coming next. So these ones just fruited last year. So then I took those pups, put them here. And I find this way easier because you can see already something is digging. So it's like probably an aardvark or a raccoon. What's the other one? God, I can't think of the name, but armadillo. Jesus. Okay, so that last year ate the backside of that one. Something went in, it nub, ate that whole pineapple on that thing. You come around the front, looks perfectly fine. The whole pineapple looks good. And then you come back here and like, oh, okay, I'll pick it. I went to pick it, my hand went into it, and that damn thing ate the whole backside and left the front side. Like it knew what it was doing. If it just slowly eats from the backside, no one's looking at it. That's my intelligence invoking that on the armadillo or raccoon or whatever got to it. So all 3 methods seem to work. Folding it up seems to work even better, which is way less work, because then you just sort of fold it up, tie it up real quick, slide your protector on, and zip tie it closed. So they all look good, ready to eat probably another couple weeks. And maybe it helps you, like me, you're just trying to start out with a pineapple, and then all of a sudden now you have a, pineapple farm. I don't know. Too many, so that's okay. Good luck.